Most traders in 2025 are still skipping the one step that makes or breaks every single trade, and that's top-down analysis. If you don't know how to properly break down the market from higher timeframes to lower timeframes, you're trading blind. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do a top-down analysis using my mind over market strategy, so you can find clean setups, avoid random entries, and finally trade with confidence. Now, you might be asking, why does top-down analysis matter? Top-down analysis is the foundation of every profitable trader's system. It tells you what the bigger picture trend is, where the strongest areas of interest are, and which lower time frame setups are worth your risk. Without it, you're just reacting to noise. With it, you're trading with the market, not against it. So now, let's hop on the charts. Okay, this is a market that I'm currently interested in and that I want to take a trade on. Now I'm going to show you guys how I broke it down and why I'm interested in it. So first, we start off on the weekly. As you guys can see, we're bullish. You never buy a candle close below or above this area right here. So weekly's bullish, but the daily is bearish. Buy stick candle close below this area. Then we buy stick candle close again. This is our range right here. This is our daily range for now. Okay, we're gonna drop down to the 4 hour, and we're gonna see that this market is bearish. This is our range on the 4 hour. Okay, and I think I broke these trades down for you in last week's video or yesterday's video or my most previous video. And yeah, I'm interested in it again, and I'm going to show you guys how I broke it down. So we got the daily and the 4 hour in sync. That's how we do our top down analysis, find the overall trend of the market. Our next thing to do, what do? We find an area of interest in the daily or the weekly. The daily, we don't have much structure in this area, so I'm going to go down to the daily. And we can see we have one tap right here, two taps. What do we have over here? I usually don't go this far, but we have some rejection over here too. But as you guys can see, every time we get to this level, price always rejects it. That's all that matters. We want to find a well-respected area. Look, all these wicks, we touch this area, reject it. Touch, reject, touch, reject, touch, reject. You know, touch, reject. We only broke through this area twice. And then we rejected it many, many, many times. So what I expect when we hit this area, to reject it, look for our entry, and boom. So we hit our daily area of interest right here. Boom. Now we're just waiting for it to give us a little pullback right now. It's only, what, 6:35 right now. We want to wait till like London session, pre-London session, like 9 p.m. to really enter this trade. What I'm looking for is just really a pullback up here. And give me my entry signal. But yeah, that's how we did a top-down analysis on that trade. Let's do a top-down analysis on this one. Boom. Same thing here, kind of on the weekly. We got the weekly bullish. Okay. Sorry for all these. We got the daily bearish though, and the 4 hours bullish. So really, you can't be looking for anything on this trade unless the 4 hour shifts bearish, and that's when we'd be looking for a sell at this area of interest. We can shift structure, but other than that, we're good. Now let's do a top-down analysis on USD CAD. Right now, weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish as well. 4 hour is also bearish. So we have 3 time frames in sync. That's a really good sign. All we really want is for price to probably pull back up into this area up here. And then you would be at a daily area of interest. And now I'm going to show you guys how I did a top-down analysis on a winning trade. So we're going to mark this out. Weekly's bearish. Okay. Then we go down to the daily. Daily is also bearish. Okay. We did embody stick candle close above this area. Go down to the 4-hour. 4-hour is bullish. Okay. So now we're at an area of interest. We reached our area of interest. We have this daily area of interest right here. It's very precise. I love this area. A lot of rejections. Once we hit this area, we reject from it. Okay. So we found the overall trend of the market. Now we found our area of interest on the daily. Now we're at our area of interest. Now we're just looking for rejections of this area. Boom. We have some rejections on the 30-minute right here. We creating what it looks like to be a head and shoulder pattern. So for it to be valid, we have to break this area right here. That's what we're waiting for. And we're creating another head and shoulder pattern actually. So now we just really have to break this area. Oh no, actually we already broke the area. We already broke this area. So now we're just waiting for an engulfing candlestick. Okay. Getting an engulfing candlestick right here. Boom. Put our stop loss 10 pips above this area. About right there. Take profit. I would put it either at the higher low. This is a really low higher low. So I'll just put it at the next point where price can reject from, which would be like another daily area of interest or something. Probably at this structure point right here. Okay. Should probably be like right here. Then into the trade, let it play out. And boom. We hit our take profit, and that's basically how I grade, how I go through my trades through the top of the time frames from the weekly, daily, 4-hour, and then go down to the 2-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute for my entries. And that's exactly how you guys do it. That's exactly how you guys do a top-down analysis. If you guys found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys look in my description, you guys can trade live with me for free. I'll see you guys in the next video.